What's good? So it's Krista coming at you with another video. And you know, this week I went out of town actually. And I don't think I've ever been to the store. I went to Ross, and I purchased some shoes. And I'm gonna show y'all the receipt. And yeah, I went to Ross in Wisconsin. But this was what, $39.99, and the other shoe I'm going to show you was $19.99. But I went on eBay. I went to like different apps to basically that I use to sell like stuff on, and like these are fresh. I like these. These are the LeBron sneakers. I like it. This was at Ross, like I said, $39.99. I'm thinking about listing them or keeping them. I'm not sure yet, but I need to list some shoes because I got a few other shoes here. Like, I got like these, which is the Chinese New Year 12s. I got a few others, but that's not the purpose of the video. The video is showing what I got from Ross. So I got these from Ross. Now these are football cleats, Adidas. Okay, they sold already online. I seen for $95, 80 something dollars, 100 and something dollars they're going for, on different apps that I'm basically going to be using. So I'm going to be selling these as well. And what I've learned as I started to do the shoe game, basically, eBay, selling on eBay. I've been doing it for like over 5 years, but getting into the shoe business of selling shoes, finding them cheap, going to thrift stores, I do that. I go to different like stores and just sell things from that, make a profit. That's what I do. I also drop ship. If you see my previous videos, you know that I do that. So I'm gonna be selling these, make a great profit. It was only 20 bucks, like I said. They're fresh, they're new, no stains, still sealed still. And yeah, we're gonna see how this goes, and then I'm gonna come back and show you a clip of me selling it and how much profit I made, and we can go from there. So try something new if you've never done before, and this is something new for me, selling shoes online. I did other things that's from babies, from home and garden, and games. I even sold my console, my DS. My DSi today actually made $40 from a customer, and it was the light blue one. And yeah, I mean, sell things in your house. If you have things, sell them. People are willing to buy. Hey everyone, so yesterday I went to Burlington and I copped these, which are the Adidas Deerupt runner sneakers, well, lifestyle sneakers, size 7. They fresh. So I had to clean a little bit of it because I seen like some some stains on it. So I like cleaned it, and now I'm about to ship it. I just basically bought these yesterday and already sold for $80 and some change. Come on, it was only $29.99. $29.99, people. So you already know the profit up there. I'm happy about this. I'm about to ship this out to my customer. Now this came without a box, so I'm gonna wrap it up, which I should have bought these yesterday because I ran out, but I was at Walmart and I knew I should have bought some wrap, and I'm gonna wrap the shoes together. I'm gonna show you how I do it. I'm gonna just basically wrap it up like this. So I'm at Walmart. This is something I should have got more of when I came back, but I didn't. So this is the stretch wrap that I will be using. I actually got this in my hand now. Cause I'm gonna try this one right here because it's only $2.50, which I'm gonna show you right there. So yeah, better ring up $2.50 too. I'm taking a picture of it, but yeah, $2.50 is not bad compared to, like, I believe these is like 14 and up. Yeah, temporary out of stock. So this is the last bunch of them. Also, you know, for cushion and stuff, like I have some at the house, but this would be also good up there. But what I like to use too, like when I sell like my purses and stuff that I have, like my luxury purses that I now got, which I have sold already, I put like cushion in there. But that's a whole different video. We're talking about sneakers. So if we wrap them individually, or together, I should say, like this, and then you know, make sure like you have some type of cushion in there in the box, whatever, so it's not damaged as it's shipped. And like the shoe box priority mail, which you can get for free, then you can use that. Okay. Also, when you're shipping products, make sure you get these shipping labels so you can print out if you have a computer with or a laptop with a printer, or you can go to your local library and just basically use their printer. Just print, you know, these out, put the labels in like their printing machine, but they could look professional. This is what I use right here, which I have some in the car already, but it's a little tip there if you don't know, instead of basically writing them out on labels. Okay. Normally, like I was planning on doing, I was going to use this, but I thought about it, the type of shoe it is, I chose not to use this. So what I did is I used the bubble wrap like this. Excuse me, I'm in the car trying to do this. And yeah, it's secure. It's basically fully, it's not like so tight where it can't breathe. And I put tissue paper in it. Like, you know, if you go to like a dollar store or something and get it for like wrapping gifts and stuff, you just put some tissue paper in it since it didn't come with it. Inside the box, you'll see that I have bubble wrap, similar to the one on the floor. So now I'm just gonna put the shoe inside, and it's one of the priority mail shoe boxes, which I said you could get it for free if you have a account on prior USPS website. It's a great one, especially if like your local post office don't have it, which they may not. And then next thing you know, you just tape it up, and that's how you ship shoes, sneakers, without boxes. So on this clip, I'm going to share with you how I ship sneakers with a box. Now, as you can see, I'm looking to see if there's any marks on there. I had to wipe some stuff off. And then I purchased it for like $18 total, and I sold it for like $49.95, so that's like a profit of $20 plus. I got this actually from, I believe, I want to say TJ Maxx or Marshall's, one of them. So I am wrapping the box because I'm going to ship this box in another box, so double boxing. So I just want to, you know, make sure that there's no damage that will occur. When I was doing this, it was like late, so I felt like I was just taking too much time just to wrap this box. So I was doing the most, as I could see in the video now, which normally I would just wrap it all together and not have to like tape it several times. And excuse how the camera is. This was actually for like a Facebook group, like a story type, but I decided to make it into a YouTube video. So yeah, like I said, I was taking the most time just to wrap this box. It's ridiculous. But hey, it arrived to the customer in good shape. So make sure you do that. So the next step I show you is the double boxing. So I actually got this box from another shipment of shoes that was shipped to me. So I was trying to make sure that it was gonna stay, but obviously I had to take it out because I put too much tissue in it. So I used this instead. It worked out, you know, good. And then after that, I actually folded up my invoice for the customer. And as you can see, the total amount I charged them. And then I slipped it in the box. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. This is Crystal. Come at you.